Now, the living room and the dining room have been combined. Here we are into the kitchen and the master bedroom in a 3 BHK, as I told you that the other bedroom had a balcony. Hello everybody, I am Ekta Kapoor. Welcome back to Housey. Today we will be doing the sample flat video of Topaz Towers, which is located in Vadmukhwadi, Charoli, constructed by Akar Realities. Before we begin, let me tell you something about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform that connects buyers directly with the developers. Unlike other traditional platforms, जहाँ पर your number gets shared with multiple brokers and you get multiple calls, at Housey, this is not what we do. We connect you directly with the developers, thereby giving you transparent pricing, complete information, and a hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your visit today with Housey. Now let's talk about the overview of the project. The project is going to be constructed in a total 6-acre land parcel which will have 4 towers, which will have basement plus ground plus 23 floors of 2 and 3 BHK apartments. Now let's discuss the location and the connectivity. As you can see that I am standing right outside the sales office is the main sales office of the project, and this is the connecting road that connects you to Charoli. And talking about the connectivity, 2.9 kilometers to Magazine Chowk and just about 3 kilometers to Pathare Chowk. Now let me tell you about the amenities. The project has 26 plus modern amenities like a swimming pool, pool deck, multi-purpose club hall, party lawn, and also an outdoor gymnasium. This is the sample flat of 990 square feet. It's a 3 BHK and this is your foyer area. Once we come inside, your security has been taken care of. There is a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key and also a master key. And the doors have been provided with a rubber strip. Now once we come inside from this entrance foyer, this space can be utilized for your sealed shoe racks, and then we enter into the living room. Now, the living room and the dining room have been combined together into a big rectangular format which makes no L-shaped spaces, keeping it more spacious. And here is the balcony. Now the balcony is covered from the top and comes with anti-skid wooden flooring, ceramic tiles for the floor and an iron railing as well. Now that you've seen the balcony, it's time for us to move into the kitchen from the dining area. As you can see, because the kitchen is right next to the dining area, there is ease of access for serving as well. And this over here is your kitchen, which comes with a surprise. Let me tell you what it is. Here we are into the kitchen and the dry balcony is there, of course. The dry balcony is an enclosed one and there is a straight fitted granite slab at one end of the kitchen. Now it's time for the surprise, that is the storeroom. There is an additional 4x4 storeroom that comes in addition to your kitchen for storing away all the essentials so that your kitchen isn't very cluttered. As I mentioned that this is a 3 BHK, so first of all, let's take a look at the first bedroom of the house, which is right over here next to the dining area. Now, this bedroom comes with a special place over here for your wardrobe, which is of approximately 2.5 feet deep, which is pretty big, and it comes with pretty big size windows as well to allow complete ventilation and proper lighting. The windows also come with a grill outside and they have a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now let me take you into the next bedroom of the house. Despite both the bedrooms having almost the same size, this bedroom also comes with an additional balcony and the depth of the wardrobe still remains the same. This bedroom also has a similar big size window and it also has an attached toilet and bath right over here. Let's take a look at it. This one also comes with anti-skid tiles in the flooring, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's take a quick look at the balcony that is attached in this room. Now this is the balcony that comes attached with the room over here, and this comes with anti-skid tiles on the flooring and is again a covered balcony, comes with iron railings as well. Before we move into the next room of the house, let me tell you something about Housey. Now at Housey, as you can already see that this is a sample flat video. Other than this, we also do project overview videos, 360-degree tours, location tours, and also pros and cons videos for you so that you get to know every project in detail. Along with that, once you finalize the project, we also help you with the EMI plans, and rest all help and access is done through Housey. So what are you waiting for? Quickly book your dream home with Housey, and let's go and take a look at the rest of the house now. The common toilet is located right next to the dining area over here, and it also has access to the other two bedrooms. This common toilet comes with wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, anti-skid tiles on the flooring, and standard CP sanitary fittings. Now the master bedroom in a 3 BHK, as I told you, that the other bedroom had a balcony, and the master bedroom has a walk-in wardrobe. Along with that, there is also an attached toilet and bath to it. Let's take a look at the room. This is the master washroom that comes with wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, standard CP sanitary fittings, and anti-skid tiles on the flooring. The powder-coated window also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net and a grill for safety. This is your walk-in wardrobe space, which can also accommodate a dresser. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat video of the project Topaz Towers, which is located in Vadmukhwadi, Charholi, and is constructed by Akar Realities. Do not forget to like, comment and share the video, and stay tuned to Housey for more such videos. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.